Hey guys, in today's video we are going to see how to sort tables in Microsoft Word. Now generally when we need to sort tables we go to Microsoft Excel, but you don't need to do that. But you don't need to do that anymore. You can sort tables in Microsoft Word as well. So to sort a table, all you have to do is select the contents of the table, and then under Home tab you can see this option, the sort option. If you click on that, a pop-up will appear, and here you can see various options such as sort by, then the list that contains header row and the no header row. Now here you can sort by employee name, age, employee code, employee city, basically the inputs that we have given. And if you go into no header row, then you can see the columns 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now just note that while sorting in no header row, the header row also gets sorted automatically. Now let's say we are going to sort by the employee name, and here text has been selected by default because Word has detected text automatically, and then you can sort using ascending order or descending order. Let's select descending order for this one, and let's click on OK. So yeah, my table has been sorted as per the inputs. Okay, now if you wish to find out who the eldest employee is, then you have to select age. So let's select age here, and then let's keep the descending order as it is. Now then, if you want to find out who was the first one to join this company, then we have to go with employee code. Then let's keep the ascending order here, and then lastly let's select the employee name, and let's click on OK. So this is how my table has got sorted as per the inputs given by me. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to check out our Microsoft playlists on our YouTube channel. Do subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.